Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of Sabri Motors. Today we have a new present for the M6. As you can see, it is on a jack. It's not broken. She's getting a tasteful side skirt. I'm forgetting the other piece because they haven't sent it yet. But here's the side skirt. Sorry for the fan. It's a nice carbon fiber to complement, you know, all the other carbon fiber pieces that are already put on, like the diffuser, the spoiler, the front lip, you know. So it's just cleaned all that. I'm about to put the double tape. I guess it's not going to fit without that little flap in the back, so I have to take that off. Then I'm going to run the double tape on the side skirt, then we're going to flip it on. Put some self-tappers in there everywhere. You know, the way I drive. She's really coming together, though. I'm falling in love. I've been in love. Say hey to Mia. What's up, Mia? Still going strong. You guys want to see my tires? They're good. You know, I had the Pirellis for never mind. I had the Pirellis for a while. Since March. I'm surprised it lasted this long, not gonna lie. I'll put you guys right here. Think? Drop a comment, you know. How do you think? Fire? He said it was gonna look ugly.
Fire.
Fire.
Hashtag race car.
Hashtag race car. They're nice. Watch this. Nowhere. Easy 170.
Easy 170.
200. Right, Dad? 170, it won't fly off. 170, it won't fly off, right? Now I have to put this one on. You guys already saw what I did, so I'm not going to record it. But yeah, plain. Fire. Alright guys, I don't know what Sabri has recorded so far, but I need gas. Bad, I have 28 miles to empty. Hey, you know what just came in? My I'm sorry plate. Oh, look at that. So I have to go get gas. I'm gonna go home, grab the plate, and I'm gonna put it back on. I'm gonna put the new plate on. But look how much better that is. It adds such a nice flow with this. And look at she came together. I'm just waiting for the back two pieces, so it's like a full circle of carbon fiber. But it looks way lower. I like it. It looks good. Right now we're gonna head to a Shell, get some gas, and yeah, then I have to go home, get the plate, as I just said. So let's go get gas right now. Guys, as I'm waiting for some fuel, I'm gonna take some B-roll of the M6 for you guys. video is going to be coming to an a little short video. Just a little update on the M6, you know, how she's doing. I'll post some pictures on Instagram if you follow me, _E63 with the new plate. But this video is gonna come to an end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all the good things. And until the next one, we're out.